Hi everybody, I'm welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily perform a self-diagnosis sound test. So, if you have any troubles with the sound of your monitor, you have to at first enter the settings, clicking the gear icon here in the top left corner on your remote. Here we have to click the gear icon once again. And now we have to scroll down to support. Here we have to, as you can see, find the option called self-diagnosis, which is here. Let's click on that, and now our sound test will be begin. Do you hear the sound clearly? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. Your monitor sound issue is issue-free. Make sure your external device is properly connected. If the issue persists, please refer to the device's manual. Okay. Now we can check what to do if our sound is not clear. So let's click the gear icon once again, and support. Here, not general, support, sound self-diagnosis. And let's click now. Here, as you can see, do you need more help? Please contact LG Support Center. Have the following information ready before calling. And now you can call your LG Support Center, and below this text label we have the model name, software version, and our serial number of our monitor. We can click OK, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.